Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, the code execution cannot proceed because EMP.DLL was not found, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your virus and threat protection settings, you're going to go into manage settings, you're going to make sure you turn real-time protection off right now, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to go into add or remove exclusions, click yes, click add an exclusion, and then click folder. Now go to your Hogwarts Legacy's folder, here it is, just click select folder here, and after that you're going to click onto virus and threat protection here, and then you're going to click onto protection history, and here you should have the emp.dll file. You're just going to click on it and then click restore and just restore that emp.dll file, and now you can go ahead and turn on your real-time protection setting. After that you can go ahead and play your Hogwarts Legacy and you'll see that you will not get that emp.dll error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.